Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Green Kitchen channel. Today, we're going to prepare one of my personal favorites, which is an incredible comfort food as well as a truly nourishing and satisfying dish. I'm talking about pasta and chickpeas, a dish that's part of Italian tradition. Let's start with the chickpeas. For 4 servings, we need to soak about 250 grams of them for 8 to 12 hours. After soaking, we'll drain and rinse them before moving on to cooking. We'll cook them in fresh, unsalted water to avoid tough and unpleasant skins. The cooking time of the chickpeas will vary depending on the method used, previous soaking time, and the size of the chickpeas. Once the chickpeas are cooked, about 45 minutes in my case, we'll blend half of them to create a tasty cream that will coat our pasta. In a pot, we'll pour oil, add chopped shallots, a sprig of rosemary, and 2 or 3 peeled tomatoes. After letting the flavors melt, we'll add the cooked chickpeas along with their cooking water to further enhance the taste. Then, we'll incorporate the chickpea cream we blended earlier and adjust the salt. The ideal amount, in my opinion, is about a teaspoon of fine salt. We'll mix and check the consistency. If the mixture is too dry, we can add a glass of water or more. Once everything is boiling, we can add 300 grams of our preferred pasta directly to the chickpea mixture. I chose a format that's roughly the same size as the chickpeas and cooked it for half the recommended time. For example, if the pasta package says 12 minutes, I cooked it for about 6 minutes, then let it continue in the residual heat with the lid on. Afterward, it's time to drizzle some finishing olive oil, a grind of pepper, and, if desired, a bit of chili oil, which pairs wonderfully with this delicious pasta. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, leaving a like, and giving feedback on the recipe. I hope you'll try making this dish, and I'll see you here on the Green Kitchen channel in the next video.